In this video of Excel tutorial, I am going to tell you how to create an Excel data entry form. This form will be part of our existing table where we can enter new records or update our existing records. Forms are very user friendly and a person who is not very much comfortable using spreadsheet can use this form for data entry. We are taking an example of entering student marks in our Excel sheet. Now suppose the person who is going to perform this task of data entry is not much aware of using Excel. Here we can help that person by creating this form which is much easy to understand. Let's get into Excel and start our tutorial. We are in our Excel sheet and the data set is already created to give an example. Forms can be created only on existing data. So we will use this data to create our forms. For serial number, I have used formula so that for every entry serial number should come automatically. Column with total marks also have a formula of sum so as the percentage column. Data entry only be done for those 6 columns. Rest of the columns have the formula in it. The first step is to convert our data into table. This data is a table for us, but has to convert into an official table as per the Excel. To do that, click anywhere inside the data and go to Insert. Then Table. Data is selected by default. We can see the first row, which is not the part of our data, is also selected. So let's select our data manually. Simply click and drag to select the full data. Now this option which says my table has header is marked. The header is a heading label of the table. In our case it is serial number, student name and so on. Now click OK. This data is officially converted into table and format is also changed. Let's change the color style of our table from here. This looks good. Let's name our table as marks. Alright, we are now ready for the forms. Form option is actually hidden and we need to add this manually. Click on this small arrow here and select More Commands. Now select commands not in the ribbon. Scroll down till we find Form. Select Form and click this Add button. Then click OK. Now click on this and form window will pop up. We can see all our data is already available here. We can scroll around using this arrow or by clicking Find Next or Find Previous. The column with formula is not editable. There is no formula in serial number 1. Hence, it can be edited. But others like total marks and percentage are not editable. Let's create new entry. Simply click on New. The blank form will appear. No need to enter serial number as it is formula based. Let's type student name as Binod. After entering all the data, press enter. Data will be added in our table. Let's add another entry. And it's added to our table. Now to delete any entry, simply open that data and click on delete. That entry will be deleted. What if by mistake I have changed something and I don't remember any previous value? Just click on restore and we'll get that value restored. Remember, once enter key is pressed after changing the data, restore function will not work. We already know find previous and find next. Let's check the criteria button. For example, we want to check student of class division B. Click find next and we will see all the students belonging to class division B. Let's check another criteria. This time I wish to see students that have scored more than 70 in maths. Click on find next or find previous. That's all for this video on the form. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.